these are almond clusters. What's the national day today?
It's
National Chocolate Covered Nut Day.
No, you guys are perfect. Right on cue then.
Did you know that today is National Chocolate Covered Nut Day? Have you ever wondered how they're made? Please join us and the team as we cruise down and go tour the Miss Cavanaugh's chocolate factory.
Right here, guys, is where we do our tempering our chocolate. Do you know what tempering chocolate means? That's getting that chocolate to the right temperature, because if we don't, the chocolate will turn like a white gray color. We don't want that. We want the shine on it. We want the perfect snap. And so it's very important that they get it just right. Watch how she drags that chocolate into those little cups, and she kind of rolls it off her fingertips so she doesn't spill anything at all. See that?
She makes that look easy.
Yeah, and it's really hard with gloves.
Oh, I believe it.
It just is. So this is an almond. So these are almond clusters. What's the national day today?
It's
National Chocolate Covered Nut Day.
Chocolate covered nuts, yes.
Wow. No, you guys are perfect. Right on cue then. Yeah, these are almonds. This is our famous box of chocolates. We sell thousands of this box of chocolates a year, okay? See all the pretty markings? So when you buy a box of chocolates, there'll be a pamphlet. They'll be inside that box. You can open it up. I have a couple of things for you to try. So I have the milk chocolate button that has all the cream, butter, and sugar, and it's delicious. Then I have the pure stuff that you saw in the movie. You like that bitter one?
That is, yeah.
Pretty bitter, isn't it? It's actually very healthy for you.
I've heard it's really good, yeah.
Well, Will, what do you think?
It's like I just ate some dirt.
Yeah.
Come on, it doesn't taste like dirt.
Right behind you guys is a big copper pot. This is what we cook all of our caramel and our creams in. Copper is great for candy making because it heats equally into that pot, okay? It doesn't burn because it's nice and thick. Out here in the kitchen, you can see there's some caramel laid out there, some other things. Sometimes they have to sit for a period of time before they do anything with them. Now, when you take a bite into that, can you feel that perfect snap she's talking about?
What happens if you catch them sneaking some chocolate back there?
You know what? They work here long enough, they don't do that. But I do. I go back there, it's so fun to go back there when I have everything laid off. I go, grab a glove on it, just take a piece, but.
So obviously you make a ton of variations. Like, what's the process of making like a new flavor?
So they'll probably do 1 or 2 flavors a day. Depends, every day's different what they're gonna run. We have over 50 different kinds of chocolates, so. And they just kind of look to see what all the stores need, what we need. We have a supply in the back, but it runs out fast because we sell so much.
Do you have a dedicated taste tester?
Hey, that's so funny you asked that, because today we did.
Well, we can taste some.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you need somebody to also, like an outside, like, we will definitely talk to
Tell
him
you how
and
good
let
it
him
is?
have his opinion.
There's cake batter. And what can I give you guys?
Can I get the peanut butter cup?
Oh man.
What's in the caviar?
Cavalier is kind
Cavalier.
of like a turtle. It's caramel, pecans, and chocolate.
I'm a little sorry, sorry.
I'll take one of those. I'd like to do the cookie dough, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
You guys want to try anything else?
The panoche, fudge,
Okay.
please.
Yep, that's a good one.
Better not drop it.
Put it all in your mouth.
I don't know if I could do that.
I did not catch
Sorry. All right, guys.
Well, thank you for having us.
Okay, you bet you guys. Thanks for coming.
Thank
in.
you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's worth coming.